Hello, and thank you for joining me for our latest webinar. My name is Veronica Kerwin. I'm the owner of Moxie Hair Removal and Skin Studio in Lakewood, Colorado. Today, we will be discussing facial rejuvenation, also known as IPL or photofacials. The webinar is similar to the complimentary consultation we provide at Moxie, with the exception of the skin test patch being performed. We recommend that to all IPL clients who come to our studio. During this webinar, you will see links that you can click on for further information. They will also be available at the end of the webinar as well. I suggest waiting until the end to click so you don't miss out on the presentation. All right, let's get started. IPL, also known as Intense Pulsed Light, is a light-laced base device used to treat sun damage, small veins, fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Photofacial is the term used for the treatment itself. A photofacial is the process of removing sun damage, fine line, and or facial redness with the IPL system. Our IPL system can perform many functions. The first treatment we'll be discussing is age spots, sun damage, and skin discoloration. Sun damage can cause irregular brown and red discoloration of the skin. These sunspots and broken capillaries of the skin can make the skin look weathered and old. IPL can reduce, and in some cases even eliminate, these discolorations and make the skin tone more even and bright. It works by heating up the structures that hold the color, also known as pigment, and damaging or destroying the blood vessel or sunspot. This process is called the selective photothermal lysis. By using a range of wavelengths, the light of the IPL can target these brown or red discolorations. Filters are used to cut off the wavelengths of light that could be harmful to the skin. IPL works best on fair to light colored skin people who have these age spots, sunspots, freckles, sun damage, or discoloration of the hands, face, chest, and neck. Many people ask what IPL feels like. The treatments can take anywhere from 15 to 45 minutes, depending on the areas you would like to have treated. To get started, we apply a topical gel, which is generally an odorless, colorless ultrasound gel that acts as a conduit for the light. You will be given protective eyewear, and we will have you lie down and relax. We will be in constant communication with you to make sure you're at a level of comfortable with the service. It is not painful. Many people describe the procedure as a light vibrating sensation, and for those who have a higher pain tolerance, we are able to go to a little bit higher of a level. It can also be described as a tiny bee sting. Remember, we will not go higher than what you can handle. The light from the output of the IPL contains no harmful or ultraviolet light and therefore is non-mutagenic. It utilizes absorption physics to thermally destroy the unwanted target, and your body will replace the damaged target with new cells. After a treatment, you may see the area treated become darker and rise above the skin. The procedure is working at a cellular level and will be working from the inside out. The color is essentially rising from the inside of your skin and will flake off, leaving you with rejuvenated and a more even skin tone. It is important not to pick or rub the area. The skin is delicate, and the irritating of it by picking or rubbing can cause scarring or discoloration, something we want to avoid. The whole procedure can take 3 to 4 treatments to be fully effective. There is no downtime. You could do this on your lunch break and be back to work without anyone knowing what you had done. Some people will see results with the first treatment, that we recommend at least 3 to get the most significant results. Some people may have a little bit of redness or flushing after the treatment. This is common and will go down. If you don't have the redness or flushing, don't worry, it's still working. Not everyone gets red or flushing. After the service, it is essential that you stay out of the sun. Please avoid being in the sun for extended periods of time whenever possible. Generally, the sun is strongest from 10 to 4. Especially in Colorado, we get a lot more sun during the winter months than most other states. Sunscreen or sunblock are vital in protecting your skin. Sunscreen provides a screen from the sun where UV rays can penetrate the skin. Sunblock will act as a barrier where UV rays are unable to penetrate. Remember, even being in your car, you can still get hit with sun rays. Add sunscreen or sunblock to your daily routine and keep putting it throughout the day. We will get you started with the IPL, but it is up to you to maintain these results by using sunscreen and protecting your skin. Here are some great before and after photos of the IPL services we offer. Many people have some questions for us, and in our recent Q&A, I will go over some of the things that people talked about. Question 1. Are photofacial and photorejuvenation the same thing? Yes, these terms all refer to facial treatments based upon a common principle: heating and stimulating the dermis, which is the inner layer of the skin, while cooling and protecting the epidermis, which is the outer layer of the skin. There are a wide variety of technologies and procedures available for this type of treatment. However, each works in a slightly different way. Is IPL safe? IPL is safe. IPL, also known as photo rejuvenation or photofacial, is one of the safest light-based facial treatments available. Most patients experience little or no pain during the procedure. Some patients have reported that the light pulses feel similar to a light snap or, like I said before, a little bee sting. These have been reported long-term side effects. Is IPL safe? IPL photorejuvenation is one of the safest light-based facial treatments available. Most patients experience little or no pain during the procedure. Some patients have reported that the light pulses feel similar to a light snap or, like I mentioned earlier, a small bee sting. It depends on the level and your pain threshold. There have been few reported long-term side effects of the IPL, and the most common side effect is redness, minor swelling, and flushing or inflammation. This usually goes away within 30 minutes to a couple hours after the treatment. What results can I expect after an IPL treatment? Well, immediately after your treatment, your face will appear slightly red or flushed. This is completely normal. Don't worry. It does go away. Depending on where you have it done and the strength of the IPL, it may take anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours for the treatment results to become noticeable. The redness will fade and you'll see improvements more and more. Depending on the condition you are treating, your experience will differ. For example, if you're treating acne, your skin may remain red for several days before you notice an improvement. If you are seeking to stimulate collagen growth, the redness may disappear sooner and you may begin to see a smoother skin texture within a few days. If you're using it for age, sun damage, or discoloration, you may see what I described before as a small rising of the discoloration, which will then flake off and you'll see more even skin tone, similar to the rest of your body where you're having the procedure done, your face, your neck, your hand. What is the average cost of an IPL treatment? Well, an IPL treatment usually runs between $300 and $600 per treatment. Many places offer a package or membership. We are one of those places. However, the exact amount will vary depending on the amount of IPL sessions you want to do, the areas you want to treat, and how often you want to come in. Are there any side effects associated with IPL photorejuvenation? Most people reported side effects that are mild and resolve within a few hours or days. Like I said before, the most common side effect is facial redness or flushing. Small capillaries may appear larger after the treatment as well, especially in an area that we're treating for damage. You may see the area become darker or more red than what you're used to seeing. Don't worry, this is exactly what's supposed to happen, and it will rise and flake off. Again, don't pick. Picking will lead to scarring and permanent discoloration. Permanent side effects from photorejuvenation are rare. There's nothing that you need to worry about that's going to cause anything other than what we talked about before. Thank you for joining us. If you have any further questions, please feel free to email me at ronica@moxiesugar.com. The email address and our website and the phone number to our studio will all be listed in the next slide. We'd love to have you in for a complimentary consultation. Our office hours are Monday through Saturday, and they're listed below. Give us a call. We'd love to have you in and talk more about what the IPL treatments can do for your skin. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.